In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage folders in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. When you first log into Wrike, the first thing you need to do is navigate to your project. Look for the sidebar menu on your workspace. It's usually located on the left side of your screen. Take a moment to explore and find the specific project area that you want to organize, or perhaps clean up a little. This will be your starting point. Now, once you're in the right project, you might notice that some folders can look quite cluttered or simply complicated at first glance. To simplify this, you'll want to expand the folder details. Locate the folder name you're interested in and click on the drop-down arrow next to it. This action will expand the folder and reveal its nested contents or subfolders. What this does is help keep things neat, making it easier to view what's inside without overwhelming yourself with all the information at once. Now, let's talk about accessing more options for a specific folder. On the right side of the folder name, you'll see 3 dots. This is your gateway to additional functionalities. By clicking on these 3 dots, you'll open up a menu that allows you to perform various structural adjustments, whether you want to rename the folder, move it somewhere else, or even share it with your team members. This is the place to make those changes. Now, a key feature that can make reorganizing your workspace much easier is the drag and drop functionality. If you want to restructure your folders or projects, simply click and hold on to the folder you want to move. Once you've done that, just drag it directly into a different project, or if you prefer, you can drop it underneath another folder. This instantly creates a subfolder relationship. It's quick and very intuitive, transforming your workspace structure without any hassle. Remember, keeping your folders organized is crucial for maintaining productivity. A well-structured folder system helps not only you, but your entire team to navigate through projects efficiently. So take advantage of these features. They're designed to make your life easier and keep everything flowing smoothly. As you become more familiar with managing folders in Wrike, you'll likely find your unique ways to customize your workspace according to your needs. It's all about finding a system that works best for you and your team. In conclusion, if you take the time today to implement these folder management strategies in Wrike, you'll see a significant improvement in how you organize your projects. So that wraps up our walkthrough on how to manage folders in Wrike. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please consider hitting the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one.